Welcome back to another episode where we're learning about 신조어, which are recently created Korean words. Today's word is originally actually just a dialect word from the Jeolla province, which is the southwest part of Korea. And the word is 뽀시래기. So this word is dialect from that province, and the original Korean word is 부스러기. Now, 부스러기 just means crumbs, like breadcrumbs or snack crumbs or small pieces of something. But 뽀시래기 is used as a word to describe things that aren't just small, but also adorable and cute. Specifically, this word is used to refer to someone who's adorable, kind of like the word cutie pie, and it can be used for both guys and girls. Now, this word was actually being used already for years in some online communities, but it was not picked up by modern Korean until more recently. So then, how did it suddenly start getting more popular among Koreans? This word became popular during the 2018 Winter Olympics in Pyeongchang, South Korea in February of 2018. Some of the members of Korea's own speed skating team were referring to themselves jokingly in interviews as 뽀시래기들, literally meaning just crumbs. Both online and offline fans of the speed skating team loved that, and the media agreed. Then later, in the summer of 2018, a famous soccer player also said his nickname was 뽀시래기, and this further pushed the word into modern usage. And these days, you can hear the word being used to describe everyone from sports players to celebrities to even animals. So here are a few examples. 우리 예쁜 뽀시래기. My little cutie pie. 우리 강아지 뽀시래기 시절 사진이에요. It's a photo from the time when my dog was a little cutie. So, are there any other new words you'd like me to explain? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Remember that I also upload new videos here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.